talk about when there is an emergency. We all know we should call 911 to get a quick response and help. But in D.C., there are some growing complaints about some dangerously long hold times.
There was an emergency in Southeast D.C. A man had collapsed in the middle of the street, and a passerby who called 911 claims they were on hold for several minutes. Our Leonard Fleming has more from our newsroom.
This is an issue that the 911 call center and city council members want to get solved, getting a prompt response to 911 emergency calls. And in this case on Tuesday, that didn't appear to happen. The Office of Unified Communications, which handled the 911 calls for the district, has been under fire for years regarding its emergency hold times for callers. The man who collapsed on 15th Street and Pennsylvania Avenue laid in the middle of the street in the rain. D.C. fire officials say he received emergency treatment and was sent to the hospital with a non-life-threatening condition. Officials say the 911 call center received 1.77 million emergency calls last year and recently began listing response times on its website. Dave Statter is a safety advocate and frequent critic of the 911 call center.
What the pastor had with his problem trying to reach 911 is a consistent problem. We've been hearing this for months, and the city really hasn't addressed it in a big way. The mayor hasn't even acknowledged it. It's an enormous issue that just builds on other issues that are already in play at DC 911.
911 call center officials say the call on Tuesday was answered in 53 seconds. The national average, though, is about 15 seconds or less, according to city officials. And they have struggled to hire enough staff to meet those standards. Reporting in the newsroom, Leonard and Fleming, DC News Now. Back to you.